as you're going through the ceremony and the introduction, you should always be listening to for good sound bites, and it's really important. People like to get a lot of sound bites from the toasts. So if you just listen to that.
Her personality. Wasn't that,
And what I like to look for in a wedding, the toast I'm really looking for is I'm looking for these condensed sound bites that aren't, it doesn't take 3 minutes to really get to the point. And the sound bites that are about the couple. If it's a longer video, then I can really get into maybe the bride and the groom separate, and I can use those clips somewhere else. But for a shorter video, I really want to focus on that. So I try to get clips from the toast that are specifically about the couple.
someone that will be kind and loving, but also strong and self-reliant? Melissa, I have to say, you did just.
Let's just say that's it, because that's an okay soundbite. I think there's probably some better stuff in there, but so
Someone that will be kind. As a dad,
so this is it, and you can kind of start to hear it, and then now it might not be the one you want, but the idea is just if you just separate those, you'll have access to that later, and then
well, when your hands are free, please raise your glasses to a toast.
and it's usually the end of the toast too when the most poignant moments happen.
Ryan, the first time we really got to know Ryan was 2013. We went on a family vacation, and Melissa said, "Hey, Ryan's been on vacation with us." And the first, my first reaction was, "Who's Ryan?" But we went to San Francisco, and we all forced to get to San Francisco. Then, we typically do. And one of the moments to me that was most touching was we were up on the Golden Beach, and we were taking family photos, portraits. And one of the photos we took was of Melissa and Ryan, and the pure joy and happiness on their faces we see together.
So here's another one maybe.
Hill, the Golden Beach, and we were taking family photos, portraits, and one of the photos we took was of Melissa and Ryan, and the pure joy and happiness on their faces was so genuine. That's when I realized that Daddy's little girl is really now, she's Ryan's girl.
So let's say something like that, and
Ryan, the first time we really got to know Ryan was 2013. We went on a family vacation, and Melissa said, "Hey, that's a family vacation. Francisco, that you typically the one of the moments to me that was typically do."
so what I'm doing, I'm just getting a very raw cut of what that quote was about, and then I can fix it up later. Let's say I have the beginning, so it makes sense, and then I have the actual quote there, which leads into that, which is nice. It's a little bit longer than I like, but really seems like it's be an emotional one. So be on the lookout for those little sound bites. Really try to get very condensed ones. That's why this one is, in my opinion, better, because it's shorter. It's more condensed. But usually you can find those. If someone's giving a toast, usually they have one good tight sound bite.